Hi, welcome to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to mine ETHW, and this is one of the forks from ETH. So what you need to do is find yourself to 2miners.com. I will leave a link in the description just to make it easy for you guys, but find yourself down to there and you'll find yourself ETH proof of work and how many of the miners are online at the moment. And then what you're going to need to do is scroll down, and what you're going to do is press quick start. And what you're going to need to do is install, depending on which type of GPU you have, but currently I'm going to be testing out TRex as this is what they currently have at the moment. But before you do this, you do need to make sure that you do have a ETHW wallet, not your natural normal mainnet ETH wallet. Okay, and I have released a video about that today before this video, so if you do go check that out, you will be able to generate yourself an ETH wallet and also get the airdrop that they are currently doing for people that do have an ETH wallet, and you will need MetaMask for this. Okay, so assuming that you do have your own ETH wallet, what you need to do is download the TRex. So do that, and once you've downloaded that, this is what it'll be. Because I've got NVIDIA, I'm going to be taken out of this folder. One note there as well is that we will be needing the password for when you actually do download it from them. The password for this was 2miners. Threat protection found. Let's have a little look just to be on the safe side. Coin miner. Okay. So what we need to do is scroll through and go to this, edit. And what you're going to need to do is ensure that you do change it out for your own ETHW wallet. That was the password. And what we're going to need to do is copy the ETHW server address for the IP. Change out the server on there immediately. And then also jump back, grab your own ETHW wallet, not my address. Make sure it is your own. Go back, paste in the address. I don't think that one is supposed to be there. Change that. So this is a 3090, so I'm just going to name it as 3090. And press save. Now what we need to do is go back to the folder that was in. Let's just quickly rename that so we don't forget that it's the ETHW 2miners. Double click, and now I am mining ETHW, and it should pay out to the wallet that is there that I've shown you guys. So if you've liked this video, please make sure to drop us a like and subscribe. Maybe pop in the comments of any videos of any coins that you'd like to show me, or how to show you how to set up mining. I'll be happy to do so, and see you guys in the next video.